What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Gary here from Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, the reason why we promote the $25 business is essentially because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, 80% of the sales that you bring in, which is absolutely fantastic. So if you're an affiliate marketer out there, this is the product to promote. Alright guys, this is the product to promote. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure I show real numbers. I want to make sure I be so crystal clear with you guys. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. First and foremost, we are going to get our results. Nah, I just did that. I'm sorry, I'm blanking. Okay, guys, what we're gonna do now is get you your links for what we need to do so you can start getting sales, guys, and start making money with this product. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make money online, period. All right guys, so let's go. First you get your link. This is the link that I personally use, and it works pretty well for me, but you can use any of these links if you want to, and you might have better results than me. I have no idea, but this is the one I chose to use because it promotes 3 products. So anyway, once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, right? There's a link in the description that'll say incomespeaks.com right there, and it takes you to this page here. This page is basically just a sales letter for the $25 business, and essentially tells you all about it, how much money you can make, what it does, all that stuff. The $25 business is essentially a funnel builder. All right, you can make a funnel, you can make a ton of funnels, $25 per month, no real limitations at all. Now, if you made funnels before, you know that sounds like a really good deal. And yeah, it's a good product, right? So yeah, that's one good thing about it. And the second thing is you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions for every customer you refer. That means you can make up to $120 per month per customer. Each customer can pay that much. All right, guys. Is absolutely fantastic. So anyway guys, what we're gonna do now, they also give a charity. I should mention that they also get a charity if you're interested in that. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna click on yes, I want to try this out. All right, give it a shot. Okay, so you just put in your basic information there, and you get down here. That's the funnel build, like I said before. By the way, there are videos explaining all of this, videos all over the place. All right guys, so just in case I'm going a little too fast for you, it's all explained. It's all explained. Okay. So one thing I want to mention, because if you use my link, you're gonna get this right here for 14 days free. This is HBA Premium. This is basically traffic, teaching you how to set up traffic for all the notable websites like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. How to set up blogs, how to make articles, whatever it may be, right? How to podcast, affiliate marketing. And they also have an AI content creation machine, which is more geared towards helping you do stuff like that, which is very good and very helpful, so you don't have to put too much work into it. And that's gonna be free for 14 days, guys. Free for 14 days if you use my link. All right, so here's the coolest thing about it: you can get a sale with this product while you have the free 14 days, and you will keep that money. So that's a really good thing to have. You jump start into the mission. Now what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest way to promote this product. I recommend, if you want to really get substantial with it, I recommend making videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, making short videos about it. I think that's the best way to promote it. but this is the easiest way to promote it. You just do this 30 seconds every single day. You promoting the product. All right. So what you want to do is click on the second link on my description there. It's going to take you to my lead gen secrets here. Now what my lead gen secrets is, it allows you to get 100 leads that you can email once per day. So 100 leads every day, once per day. So for example, day 1, 100 leads. Day 2, 200 leads you can mail. So on and so forth, which is really cool. And we're just going to log in here. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do once you make your account and stuff. And you get into your account, you click on mailing system here, and you want to click on select all your leads there. And then I'm gonna use an email that if you watch the earlier videos here, I'm gonna use one of the emails that ChatGPT has written for me to promote this product. Gonna go right here, click on it. Boom. That's our email right there. Unbelievable. You can copy this email, guys. Y'all can copy this. I'm just using the emails ChatGPT has given me. And yeah, that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. So this is the email here. As you see, pretty clean. Make sure to pause and copy it if you want to. Show the whole email there. There we go. That's the whole email. Made it look a little classy. And you want it short. You don't want a long email, guys. Long emails don't work that well. Short emails do. And you don't want to. Think about yourself reading the email. You don't want that joker to be an article. You just want to get to the point. So that's all this does. It gets to the point. Explains what you can make. Show how much money you can realistically make. Like, it's not nothing crazy. $1,000 every 10 days. So yeah, it's not crazy much. So it's believable. You see it and you're like, oh, this don't sound like it sounds like it's believable. Like, that's possible. So that's all there is to it, to the email. And yeah, you want to make sure you hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time that people check emails, guys. So for example, if you were to check your emails around 8 o'clock, that's when the email will come in. You know what I mean? And also you want to preview your link here. Make sure your link works so you can get emails. Can get clicks and sales. All right. Make sure your link works. And mine does. That's all it takes. Send an email. That's all there is to it. Just that simple. It's so fantastic. Works every time. Very good. Very easy. So all you really need to do, guys, every day is come here and send an email. That's it. That's all you really need to do. It's fantastic. So yeah, guys, make sure to. Oh, one more thing I want to explain to you guys. Now, this is the easiest way to promote this product. Now, my most recommended way is to make short videos, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram. Post on those 3 particular sites in general. Those are the main ones, especially like TikTok. YouTube works and Instagram works as well, but especially TikTok. And maybe even make multiple accounts on TikTok. I don't know. But those are the 3 I would post on. Very short videos. And and the main thing when it comes to making money online is to be consistent. Just be very consistent with what you're posting. If you post a video a day, that's fine. Post one video a day, but do it every day. Make sure to do it every day. Don't ever lose your place in that. That's my issue with this situation here. If y'all know, earlier I used to make videos about this and then I just stopped. And when I stopped, that's when I started losing sales with this particular method. But once I started getting back into it, and I'm gonna show y'all. Let me show y'all real quick how much money I used to make doing this exact method. I ain't use any other methods. All right, so I want to make sure I show it, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on. Let's go back to let's say February to February 30th. It's February 28th, my bad. just to show like an example of what I used to make when I was posting this very consistently. Just to show you guys. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's how much money I made February on its own, $1,000-something. So yeah, I was really scaling this business up, and then I stopped doing it because some stuff in life will happen. But look at that, $400 sale. Crazy. It was crazy that month. And yeah, I like I say, man, you gotta be consistent. You gotta stay consistent. That's how you make the money, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.